Hello, and thank you for joining me for this demonstration of the call controls within the 8x8 Work application on the desktop app. As you can see on my screen, I'm currently signed in to my 8x8 Work application, and I'm on the Calls tab. I'm just going to make a call to one of my colleagues. Now that my colleague has answered the phone, we can see we are on a call. So you can see my active call just here, and we can see over on the sort of main body of the screen, we can see my call controls. So if I need to place a caller on hold, you'll see there's an option to put my caller on hold just there. If I want to retrieve the caller from hold, I can just press resume, and that will take them back from hold. If I need to transfer a call, there's a transfer option just here. Selecting that allows me to search through my favorites or the company directory, or I can type in a number to transfer the call to. Adding a call allows me to bring another party into the conversation, so create a conference if you like. And then message allows me to send this colleague an instant message. So, because we are on the same phone system together, they are one of my colleagues, I can send them an instant message because they're on 8x8. Obviously, if this was an external call, I wouldn't be able to send the message. Okay, when I'm finished on the call, I can just press end call. So that was a call controlling my desk phone via the 8x8 Work application. So I'm now just going to show you a call using the Softphone instead, and the call controls that we have there. So I'm just going to go ahead and ring my colleague again. And now that we are on the call, you can see that we have a few different options that weren't there previously. So I'm just going to go ahead and mute my microphone on this call. And what that will do is stop my colleague from being able to hear me. If I take that back off again, my colleague would be able to hear me again. So muting your microphone on this side just stops your colleague from being able to hear what you're saying. Now, we didn't have that option previously because we were controlling the desk phone, and if we wanted to put ourselves on mute via the desk phone, we would have to do that on the physical phone itself. The other option that we have that we didn't have previously is the keypad. Again, that's because the keypad is on the desk phone itself, so if I needed to press a number, if I was calling from my desk phone rather than my soft phone, then I would have to press a button on the desk phone. As I'm now calling from my soft phone, I can now get to a keypad, and that will send tones. So if I've rung a number and it's asking me to press 1, press 2, etc., I can do that from here. Again, just to reiterate, if you're not seeing that, then you need to, and you're using a physical phone, then you'll need to press a button on the phone. Meet Now allows me to start a video meeting with my colleague. Again, my colleague is on 8x8, so that's why I can start a video meeting with them. We had the hold before, we had transfer before, and we also now have more options. So from within here, again, we can add calls, message. We saw those two previously, but we now have the option to park. Selecting park places this call on hold on the system and removes them from my line. So if I put this person in park, the system will take the call away from me, put them on hold, tell me a number where the caller is parked, and then I can then relay that information to whoever I'm parking the call for. So, if I was parking it for a colleague, just press park. System tells me where it's parked. I can then just message the colleague or call that colleague and say, you've got Tom Work on hold on a number 461, for example. Okay. And then when we're finished on our call, all we need to do, same as before, is just press end call. So in this video, we've demonstrated the call controls that are available to you whilst you are making a call and on a call for both the soft phone and controlling the desk phone via the 8x8 Work application. So the first time we showed controlling the desk phone via the 8x8 Work application and the call controls that are available there. And the second time round, we showed controlling the soft phone via the 8x8 Work application. Thank you for watching this demonstration.